Hello and good morning. I am coming to you today about writing, overcoming technological barriers. Okay. Every time I have to try new software, it's not easy. So these are 5 points I want to share. Okay. The first one is embrace learning new tools. I've made it a priority to embrace learning new writing tools and software. While it was initially intimidating, taking the time to get familiar with programs like Scrivener or Grammarly has significantly improved my writing process and productivity. It's like with anything new, okay? You just have to encourage yourself to learn, okay? The second point is take advantage of online tutorials. You can find a ton of training on YouTube and just Google information. Okay, whenever I encounter something technological or difficult, I just sign up for a free class or a course. There are courses out there. Some are maybe $3, $4. It's worth it to take the course to learn how to use something instead of being frustrated. Okay. Um, and by attending the course, sometimes you can stop it step by step and you can do it on your own so that you understand and you don't feel lost. Okay. So take advantage of online tutorials. The next thing, ask for help. I have reached out to friends that are they're more comfortable with certain software. So I'll say, how do you do this? Or can you show me how to do that? And we'll jump on a Zoom and they'll show me their way of doing it. And it makes my life so much easier. Then I feel more confident. You know, I reach out, like I say, I know I have 3 friends. I'll get on their schedule and I'll say, hey, can you help me do this? Do you know how to do that? Or do you know how to use this software? Oh, yeah, that's easy. And they'll show me. And it's like, wow, I'm so glad I asked because it took away a lot of time and frustration that I had, or just the fear in not being able to learn it. Okay. So reach out. That's the third thing. The fourth, start with the basics. Okay. I start at the beginning and I add a little bit more every day in learning. I'm still trying to do another platform, but because of everything else I'm working on right now, I keep putting it in the background because I don't want to get frustrated. So I'll start with the basics. I'll learn about it. I'll watch a couple videos and then, it'll make more sense. It'll give me more confidence to go further with the software. Okay, that's number four, starting with the basics. And the last tip is stay patient and persistent. Don't give up. Okay, overcoming these barriers with technology requires patience, persistence, and we all get frustrated. Believe me, I really get frustrated, but I'll just go, and then I'll try again. Don't give up on yourself, stay committed, and know that when you learn something new and then it's an upgrade, you're even that much further if you took that first step. So just want to give you guys a little encouragement today. So with writing, just if there's software that can assist you or some type of program that you're not familiar with, take your time and learn it. It's going to help you in the end. That's all I have for today. Just wanted to give you 5 tips, to overcome technical, logical barriers because I still deal with it. But you know what? Just keep going. Have a great day, guys. And oh, yeah, please like, subscribe, and comment. And if you need to, turn on notifications so you'll be notified when I have a new video. I'll see you guys in the next video. All right. Have a great day, guys. Goodbye.